Hi, it's been Pay and welcome to Anxious for Nothing. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at the tax section on Amazon KDP, especially if you are a business owner. This is something that I've been struggling with and I'm keen to get answers for us all. So do you know what limitation on benefit you need to select if you are a business owner outside of the USA on Amazon KDP? I've called up the UK tax office, I've called Company House, I've searched the whole internet and it's been a mission. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I release videos weekly on planning, setting goals and giving you updates on how I'm getting on my side hustles, and I know you don't want to miss out. So the tax section for Amazon KDP can be found in the My Account section under author/publisher in the info section. In the info section, you can either select individual or corporation when it comes to business type. Once you've completed your details for your corporation or as an individual, you fill out your bank details as normal. Next is the tax information. Now, it's important that you complete this so that you don't get taxed twice in the US and in the country that you're based. So most of the information I've found online have been for sole traders or for the individual, to the point whereby I was starting to think, is it possible for companies to collect royalties? For sole traders, it's relatively easy. You just enter your tax number for the country that you're based in. Here in the UK, it will be your NI number. Likewise, if you're going to go for a corporation, the first bit is really easy. You fill out your company establishment date when you're incorporated, the address for your company, you fill out the bank details for your company, and then when it gets to the tax information, it starts off really easy as well. You put in your company tax number. So here in the UK, again, that will be your UTR number, and in the US, it will be the tax number for your company. Now, because the UK is one of those countries that benefits from this tax treaty thingy, we don't get taxed twice. But when it comes to choosing which of the treaty benefits I am entitled to as a private company, this is where it gets really challenging. I even downloaded the limitation on benefits article 23 and it was just so confusing for me. So there are like 8 or 9 options you can choose from to decide which of the limitations on benefits apply to your company. And the first one is publicly traded company. Now, I'm not on the FTSE 100. My company is private, so this definitely does not apply to me. The second one is a subsidiary of a publicly traded company, so no. The third one was a tax exempt pensions funds or pensions trust, so no, that does not apply to me. A fourth option was other tax exempt company. Well, I wish. Now the next one on the list is a company that meets ownership of base erosions tests. I mean, what is this? I don't know. I'm not sure if this qualifies for me, but KDP does kindly give you a link. The next one was a company has an item of income that meets the active trade or business test. So I thought, this one sounds like it could be for me, and I decided to do a bit more research. I did find some useful articles. One article from the Emory University, I think that's what that's called, and it states that this test generally requires that the company be engaged in an active trade or business in its country of residence, which I am doing, that its activities in that country be substantial in relation to the US activities. So that sounds kind of right. But as I was doing research into this particular one, I came across another article which confused me a bit, because this article suggested that I should have gone for the ownership of base erosion test. And it gave a really good justification as to why that was the best one. I'll put a link to these articles I found in the description. But I also went on the UK government website as well, and that confused me. I didn't find it too useful. And then lastly, the last option is favourable discretionary determination by US component authority. So I just thought, okay, let's just not go there. That's not for me. So the possible ones that I think would apply to me would be the base erosion test one and the one about the active trade or business one. I'm still going to do further research into this and let you know how I get on. But for now, I just decided to register on Amazon KDP as an individual. Once you've completed all those questions, you get a W8 Ben form to complete, and that's basically the tax form. You sign it, you date it, and then that's you done. So let's start a conversation in the comment section, please. The exam question is, what option do you pick as a company owner outside of the US who benefits from this treaty thingy? What are the best options to pick? If you have the answer or you've done a bit of research, you find a bit more information, please comment in the comment section to help all of us within this community. Thank you so much for your time and watching, and please like and subscribe if you found this useful. It really does help the YouTube algorithm get this across to other people that are in the same situation as you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.